Welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I like to make an alternative to my cashew milk, and this is a walnut milk. Now all we're going to need is 3 tablespoons of walnuts. Now I used walnut pieces because it's a little easier to kind of get a good estimate for tablespoons. And then 32 ounces of water. We're also going to be using our Nutri Ninja Auto IQ blender with the blender bottle. Okay? And so all we're going to do is I like to take my pieces of cashews, or walnuts, excuse me, and again, we soak those overnight, and we're also going to take half of my water. So I just use half to start, and we're going to let that go for just around a minute, and then once that minute's up, we're going to add the rest of our water. I'm going to start on low and work my way up. Alright, that was our first minute. Now all we're going to do is add the second half of our water. And we're going to let that go for one more minute. We can get the bottle there. There it is. Alright. Okay, that was our second minute. Now we're going to take it out. I've got my lid ready for my 32-ounce jar. We're going to pour it in. Now you, of course, can go ahead and strain this if you would like. Personally, I prefer to just leave it like it is, and we like to put it in the fridge with the lid on, and then every time we use it, we'll give it a good shake, and it is ready to go. Well, I'm gonna get things cleaned up in the kitchen here, and I'll see you in a second to let you know how I think it tastes. Hello, I am back from the kitchen. I've got my walnut milk all nice and made in our 32-ounce glass dishes that we pretty much store everything in. I also saved a little bit that I didn't store so I could give it a taste. But I hope you guys like this recipe. It's really simple. One thing I love about the plant-based milks that we make, which includes this one and the cashew milk, is that you don't actually have to strain it. You can strain it if you want, but if you let these soak overnight for 8 to 10 hours and you put it in a good blender, no need to strain. And if you put it in something like this, you can always shake it up because you'll always have some sediment build up on the bottom. But I'm gonna give this a little go. Really good. A real rich plant-based milk, and it's kind of crazy because it's only 3 little tablespoons of walnuts that make this right here, and we go through this twice a week. So really, my wife and I sharing it, we're both eating maybe a tablespoon of the walnuts a week equivalent in our plant-based milk, which is good. We don't strive to add any extra fats in our diet, but in the case of this plant-based milk, it's totally fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you have, hit the like button, and if you want to see more awesome plant-based videos just like this one, hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell to make sure you get notified whenever I post a new video or recipe. I am Plant-Based Gabriel, and I will see you guys very soon.